without resolving this matter convincingly, there will be no peace in this country. Kenyans will not go back to elections in 2027 and the election will be rigged again. It will never happen again. And we are going to tell them why it will not happen. It will not happen because Kenyans will not accept it. Now we have said that we want to see the truth. You have said that when God will get justice in the Supreme Court, we did not get justice. All we got was insults. Insults, matusi, matupu. Kwa hivyo sisi tumesema hata Supreme Court itachunguzwa. Itachunguzwa. Hii uamuzi Soma, and I will quote the ruling that is IBC deployed virtual private cloud. I don't know whether you was aware of what you're saying. At no time during the petition did any party submit that IBC deployed a virtual private cloud. It was never an issue. We never submitted on it. Neither did the defense bring it up. How did it come in the ruling? It shows that the ruling was written somewhere by somebody else. So all of this thing was rotten and requires a proper interrogation. We agreed, we are not unreasonable people, that we will talk, we negotiate. But the negotiations must be structured and must be constructive. All that our team has seen was nothing buying. That's why we agreed, the chairman of our bipartisan team, Utende Molo, say, stop it. Stop the rubbish. And we will not go back until they have come down to say A, B, C.